Hello, class, and welcome. Today we're looking at a classic SAT word problem. These questions are designed to test your ability to translate words into a mathematical expression. Let's read the problem carefully. A student has a budget of X dollars. He uses K dollars of electricity every day for N days. Our goal is to find an expression that shows how much money is left in his budget. Let's break it down together. The first and most important step in any word problem is to identify what you know. As you can see on the screen, the problem gives us three key pieces of information, each represented by a variable. First, the total starting money, or the initial budget, is X dollars. Second, the cost of electricity for a single day is K dollars. And third, the student does this for N number of days. Understanding what each of these variables means is crucial before we can build our equation. Okay, now let's think about the next logical step. Before we can find out how much money is left, we need to know how much money was spent in total. The problem tells us the student spends K dollars times per day times 4 N days. If you spend $5 a day for 10 days, you would multiply 5 by 10 to find the total. We use the exact same logic here. As the formula on the screen shows, the total cost is the cost per day multiplied by the number of days. So we multiply K by N, which gives us the expression NK for the total cost. All right, we're on the home stretch. We know the student started with X dollars. We just calculated that the total amount spent is NK dollars. The question asks for the amount in all left asterisk in the budget. To find what's left, you always take your starting amount and subtract what you've spent. So, as the formula shows, the amount left is the initial budget minus the total cost. Now we just substitute our variables into that formula. The initial budget is X, and the total cost is NK. This gives us our final expression, X minus NK. So we've done the work and derived the expression X minus NK. The final step is to compare our answer to the choices we were given. Let's look at the options. Option A is X minus N. That's not right. Option B is X minus K. Also incorrect. Option C is NX minus K, which is close, but the terms are mixed up. And finally, option D is X minus NK. That is a perfect match with our result. Therefore, the correct answer is D. Great job on this problem. Remember to break down word problems into small, manageable steps. See you next time.